this slide, we are talking about the type of digital transmission. So in here, digital transmission we divide into two parts. One is serial transmission, and the other one is parallel transmission. So for the serial transmission is a method of data transmission where the data is sent sequentially one bit at a time over a single channel or wire. It contrasts with the parallel transmission where multiple bits are sent simultaneously over multiple channels. Serial transmission is widely used in telecommunication and computer network due to its simplicity and efficiency, especially over long distance. Serial transmission is fundamental method of data communication, offering simplicity, cost-effective, and efficiency, especially for long distance transmission. With advancement in technology, serial interface have become faster and more reliable, make them suitable for a wide range of applications in telecommunication, networking, and embedded system. Understanding the different type of serial transmission and their respectively advantage and disadvantage in crucial for designing and implementing effective communication system. So serial transmission, data bits are sent sequentially over a single channel and simplify cabling and low cost, ideal for long distance. And it can be slower than parallel transmission due to the sequentially bit transfer, and best for long distance communication such as data transfer over network or between computer and peripheral. And for the limitation, no ideal for scenario requiring extremely high speed data transfer over short distance. And for the serial transmission, we also divide it into two parts. One is synchronous and another one asynchronous. So synchronous serial transmission, data is transmitted in a continuous stream with the sender and receiver synchronized by a common clock signal. For the feature, high-speed transmission, less overhead, and efficient for large volume of data. And for asynchronous serial transmission, data is transmitted in individual byte or character, with each byte framed by start and stop bit. For the feature, simple, low-speed transmission suitable for irregular data interval. Okay, now we go to the parallel transmission. So parallel transmission is a method of data transmission in which multiple bits are sent simultaneously across multiple channel or wire. This approach contrasts with serial transmission, where bits are sent sequentially one at a time over a single channel. Parallel transmission is typically used for short-distance communication due to its high speed and efficiency, but it's less effective over long distance because of issue like signal degradation and synchronization problem. Parallel transmission is a high-speed method of data communication that send multiple bits simultaneously over multiple channels. While it offers a significant advantage in terms of speed and low latency for short-distance communication, in fact, challenges such as signal degradation, synchronization issue, and increased complexity over long distance. Understanding the application and limitation of parallel transmission is crucial for designing efficient and effective communication system, particularly within a computer and closely located device. So parallel transmission is multiple bits are sent simultaneously over multiple channels, and higher data transfer rate suitable for short distance communication, and it more complex cabling and high cost, risk of failure screw, and it is best for short distance high speed data transfer requirement much within a computer system. And for the limitation, not practical for long distance communication due to cable complexity and signal degradation issue. In summary, the choice between serial and parallel digital transmission depend on factors like distance, speed, requirement, and consideration. Understanding this type is crucial for professional designing or managing digital communication system.